I know to a bug because you hit it barely late. Oh, blah, 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 blah.
Bruh.
Jag, I have a level that you
What?
might like. So do you love your geometrical dominator buff?
No.
No. Well, this one is better than it.
This is his least favorite child.
His least favorite child. No. There's this medium demon. It has geometrical dominator in it.
Holy shit. Wait.
It's called Rocket Travel.
No. He's gonna play Mountain King.
You gotta play the second one.
No. Mountain King 2.
But
No, you gotta play Mountain Queen.
Mountain Queen, is that what it's called?
Mountain Queen has like a 26 times speed portal.
Yeah.
No, it's like a 6 times speed.
Going. Funny thing is, for like the thumbnail for this, I don't even need to care about colors.
Just put a picture of a printer for the thumbnail. It's so
Yeah.
easy.
Printer noises.
Oh, I actually want like a real thumbnail. It'll be funny.
That is a real thumbnail.
Just
What are you talking
just
about?
Yeah.
have a printer
No, like
then
a
the
thumbnail
computer.
with like the name on it. I'm gonna beat it again.
Just take a picture of a printer and then put the name on it. So easy.
I beat printer noises again. So easy level. Easy level. I like it. I like printer noises. Perfect level. Let's go.
Nothing wrong with printer noises.
I believe it to be an easy demon. Okay.